Hello and welcome. Today I will be unpacking and assembling this Jegs 12-inch table fan. So, first of all, open the box. First thing out the box is the base. And then the fan. The outer thing in the fan. So the front of the fan. The instructions. The back of the fan. And the fan. And the main unit. And the nameplate for the front. Some screws. And the fan nut. So first of all, move these out of my way. So if I get the base and the fan, that just pushes in there. And there's 4 screws to go in the bottom. Like so. Screwdriver. So that's on. Remove the nut from here and put the back of the casing on. There are locating lugs, and then put the nut back on. Then put the fan on the front. And then put the nut on the front of the fan. Which is left-handed, so you have to turn it anti-clockwise. The next thing, just put that out of the way. If you bring it back. First of all, work out which way is up. Up is, there should be a hole at the bottom, so the up's there. And then put your front on, like so. Then put the 3 screws, little ones, in the front. This bit's a bit fiddly. Not quite lined up, but I'll do that in a minute. But that's where that goes. Then line your front up, pull pull these things out and push them in, and then the nut and bolt goes in here. I'm not quite lined up either. Like so. Through there. Hopefully you can see it. And then put the nut on the back and do the screw up. The screwdriver. There we are. Push them back in. And that's all sorted. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.